What can you expect when working with me? The first step after you've seen this video is go and fill out my application and book a clarity call with me. During the clarity call, we're going to see where you are, where you want to go, and the challenges that's blocking you from getting there. We'll design a unique program for you. Normally that program entails microdosing, so I'll send you a microdosing kit so you can get started feeling more peace, present, focused already from day one. We'll have our first session where I'll begin the session with helping you ground into the present moment with meditation or breathwork. We're going to work with what's present for you today. That means whatever you're working through, whatever challenges you're facing this week, this day, is exactly what we're going to focus on. And by doing that, that means you're going to get the right guidance and the right tools at the right moment. And that's really what helps to speed up the transformation process. After each session, I will check in with you to make sure that you have the right support as you are integrating your lessons from our sessions. If a psychedelic assisted medicine journey is part of your program, either with MDMA or psilocybin, you're going to spend 1 or several days here in Portugal, where we're going to serve the medicine for you and guide you through each step of the process to make sure that you have the most safe and meaningful experience possible. After the journey, we're going to integrate these experiences, making meaning of them and turning them into actionable changes in your life. So you start living a life that's aligned with your purpose, filled with joy, meaning, passion, excitement, and amazing relationships.